Hi, my name is Tindo Mudao and I'm going to be showing you how to make Mashonzha. First step, get the onions, cut them and put them in a pot to fry. When you know they're friedly cooked, then you can get tomato and cut them and put them in the same pot that you found with the onions. And thirdly, you get the Mashonzha and you put it in the pot. Make sure they don't spill. And one fact about Mashonzhas are because they also healthy and they're rich in protein. And also they from trees, and that's how it also makes them really healthy. Of course, the ones that are always healthy is the ones that come from trees. Mixing, then you can get another water and keep on mixing it. Add a little bit of water and mix and mix and mix. You must keep on turning until they roll done. You can see how beautiful they are, and as I told you, they are very, very healthy. Let me taste one now. As I said, very delicious and healthy. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt, my favorite salt I used to use. And then you still mix and mix and mix. Then the Mashonzha can smell good and get fresh and get ready. When the worms are cooked, and now they're ready to be eaten. And please, for you guys wondering out there, please don't take this as real worms. They're called Mopani worms, and they're very delicious, very healthy, and they're also for eating. Now, also Mopani worms are also good for eating with pap. Our tumblerica, now it's ready to be eaten. Sorry, they are called tumblerica, they're called Mashonzha. And now the Mashonzha are ready to be eaten. And next time I'm going to be showing you how to cook tumblerica.